Nasturtiums are beautiful, bright, and easy to grow flowers that are perfect for adding a splash of color to your garden. These annuals come in a range of vibrant colors, from reds and oranges to yellows and greens. They are also edible, with a slightly peppery taste that makes them a popular addition to salads and other dishes. Growing nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are easy to grow from seed, and they can be planted directly in the garden after the last frost. You can also start them indoors a few weeks before the last frost and then transplant them outside once the weather warms up. Here are the steps to follow when growing nasturtiums. Choose a location. Nasturtiums thrive in full sun to partial shade. They also prefer well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Choose a location that meets these requirements. Plant the seeds. Nasturtium seeds are large and easy to handle. Plant them about an inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. Water them well after planting. Water regularly. Nasturtiums like to be kept moist but not waterlogged. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Fertilize sparingly. Nasturtiums don't require a lot of fertilizer, but a light application of a balanced fertilizer once a month can help promote healthy growth. Pinch back the stems. Pinching back the stems of your nasturtiums can help encourage bushier growth and more flowers. Pinch back the stems when the plants are about 6 inches tall. Enjoy the blooms. Nasturtiums will start to bloom about 6 to 8 weeks after planting. They will continue to bloom throughout the summer and into the fall. Caring for nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are relatively low-maintenance plants, but there are a few things you can do to ensure they stay healthy and vibrant throughout the growing season. Water regularly. As mentioned earlier, nasturtiums like to be kept moist but not waterlogged. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Deadhead regularly. Deadheading is the process of removing spent blooms from the plant. This encourages the plant to produce more flowers. Use sharp scissors or pruning shears to snip off the spent blooms. Watch for pests. Nasturtiums are generally resistant to pests and diseases, but they can be susceptible to aphids and caterpillars. If you notice any pests, remove them by hand or use an insecticidal soap. Harvest the flowers. Nasturtium flowers are edible and make a great addition to salads, soups, and other dishes. In conclusion, growing and caring for nasturtiums is easy and rewarding. With their bright colors, peppery flavor, and low maintenance requirements, these flowers are a great addition to any garden. Give them a try and enjoy their beauty all season long.